With all the warm color palettes this fall, it's always fun to take a break and enjoy some brighter hues. Hello everyone, Miss Carrie here. Today I'm going to share a new monthly kit and show you some color combination worksheets that you can use when you create with the elements in this collection. I recently received the September Color Rush kit, and as you can see, it is packed full of bright colors. The addition of black gives this a bit of a retro vibe, doesn't it? If you have watched any of my previous unboxing videos, you know that I like to do more than just show you the kit. I also enjoy showing you how to use the kit. Last month, I shared a variety of ink colors that went well with the Golden Days collection. This month, I have something you will really enjoy. A color combination guide to help you mix and match the pieces in this collection. Before I give you the link to those free guides, we're going to thumb through the patterns in the You Rock kit and take a closer look at the embellishments. After that, I'll share some color palettes I created that will help you mix and match the components on your scrapbooking and card making projects. All right, let's go through those printed papers first. This one here is such a great print, and you can use it as is or cut it down into little tags. This soft blue-gray arrows would be perfect for my boy pages. In the kit, you receive 12 patterns. Some are simple like this floral one, and others have a busier pattern. Prints like this, though, can be cut apart. You could hang these frames on your page or make it look like they're sitting on little shelves. Color Rush pattern paper has a glossy coating. Some people don't mind that, especially if you're working with mixed media. Others aren't so fond of that texture, which is why I always share the paper texture in my videos. I think this pattern here is my favorite. It would make some great border pieces. This star pattern would be great for some Magic Kingdom pages, and this one reminds me of Spanish tiles. So does this one. Spatter would look really great over this pattern. This last page is filled with hexagons, which are great for cutting apart. I recently created another layout with hexagons. You can find that in my scrapbooking playlist. Each one of those patterns I shared are two-sided, so you get a lot of prints in this kit. The alphas this month are white with a plaid pattern. These do have a plain paper coating, which means that you can use them as is or add color to them. Last spring, I shaded these pink for an Easter page. Color Rush kits always have frazzles and ribbon, which I love. These are great patterns, and those stars could be used for Halloween. Let's open up these shaker stars because you have to see how cute they are. I like that the colors here are a little bit softer, and these really aren't that thick, so they're not going to add too much to your pages. Now, when I first saw this package of hearts, I thought they were made from fun foam. But I think these are actually like a faux leather or a suede material. They're really thin too, so you don't have to worry about adding any weight to a layout. Let's dump out the bits and pieces pack. These cardstock die cuts have a few colorful items like emojis and stars, but there's also a bunch of black and white elements. These can be used as is, or you can add color to them. There are a few bundles of flowers, frames, and mason jar vases. I really like these. The last item in the collection is a set of Vicky B chipboard elements. These are black and white, so they'll match the rest of the kit perfectly. They are a little thick because they are chipboard, but it's not too hard to work with. There are some tags that you could tie the ribbon onto, some journal pieces, photo frames, shapes, this little thought bubble, and stars, which match that frazzle ribbon here. I think it's too cute. This here is the basic kit for the month of September. On the Color Rush site, there are additional embellishments and acrylics and other items that you can add to your monthly subscription kit if you like. I'll add a link to each of those in the description below. Now that you've taken a look at all the elements in the You Rock collection, let me share some ways that you can mix and match the colors in this kit. I have to admit, bright, bold colors are difficult for me, so I often reach for a color wheel and create swatches like this one in my scrapbook planner. Let's take a look at the first set of colors. There's a light pink, like the die cut here, a darker pink, and yellow. Both are bold like these ribbons. To soften these a bit, I'm going to bring in two blues. The addition of these makes the bold colors much more manageable, doesn't it? Let's take a look at the next color selection. Again, I have two bold colors, pink and yellow. Then I brought in the softer blue and I mixed it with gray or white and black. This creates more of a farmhouse country feel. The next one is an analogous color palette. We start with yellow, green, a soft blue, and two bolder blues. This would be great for your summer pool photos. Let's flip this over because I have 4 more color palettes for you. I added black to each one of these so that you could see what the addition of the prints, chipboard elements, or ribbon would look like. Oh, and don't forget, you can also add color to those letter stickers too. The first one is a softer color palette. I have a light pink, yellow, mint. There are some mint colors in here, soft blue and black. It reminded me of a baby shower or a tea party invitation with bold black lettering. The next one is a bright set of spring colors, yellow, green, blues, and black. Now, if you want to skip the yellow, you can just use green, blue, gray, and black. I think I want to try this one. For those who are overwhelmed by color, monochromatic is always the simplest. This mix of greens paired with gray and black look fabulous together. These 2 worksheets are just a fraction of what you can create with the You Rock kit. There are so many color options. I'll add a link to these worksheets in the description below, and I'll include 2 blank worksheets from my scrapbook planner so that you can create some combinations of your own. They are free for your own personal use, and I would love it if you posted some of your color combination ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the projects I create with the You Rock kit. I'll be posting my first step-by-step technique video next Monday here on my channel. If you want more information about this Color Rush subscription kit, there is a link down in the description below, or you can join the Color Rush subscription kit group on Facebook. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions about this kit or the items I shared with you, feel free to post those in the comments below. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see what you create.